Hey, Wally. Hello, Wally. Wally doesn't want to go outside because it's the morning time. But what he doesn't realize is our second swallowtail butterfly has hatched. The other one hatched yesterday in the morning. Oh, now he's interested. He's like, is there a new friend? Second swallowtail is hatched. Nope. Just keep some distance, Wally. Keep some distance. He's still a baby. He's still a baby, Wally. I know. It's very exciting. You just wanna see how they're doing. So this is our second one. The other one that hatched yesterday was actually set up here across it because he had made his little chrysalis on top of the inner part of the critter keeper. Oh my god, you're getting bigger by the second. He hatched yesterday in the morning. That's what came out of him, but we put him outside before he went to work. This guy, lady, I don't really know how to tell if it's a boy or a girl yet, hatched a few minutes ago. Already getting adventurous. And these are just, I think these are pepper sticks from the garden that I took and I had put in my little vanilla plant, which isn't making much progress, so it could be in my nice big pop-up crate, so that way if they hatch or haven't gotten ready to go fly in the world before I leave for work, they can fly around in here, excuse me, Wally, during the day. Wally likes to check it out, see who's in here. He knows there's a butterfly. Okay, Wally, you want to give the butterfly some space. I know, big guy. For those of you who want to know, Wally is a solid 60 pounds the last 2 weigh-ins he's had at the vet. So 2 months straight, 60 pounds. So we gotta be really careful with him and his butterflies now. He was okay when he was little because he didn't do much to them, but he's a little bit more oomph in his step. But yeah, swallowtail hatching number 2 is here. I don't know if you can see the other two right here. They're a couple days behind this one, so I think it's gonna be probably this weekend. Alright, so we got our little guy or girl, not sure yet, moved outside on a little container, so if they want to bounce off of something they can. We got some weeds and some gladiolas that are falling over. But yeah, number 2 mating out, looks good. If you guys want to see more of my butterfly and gardening adventures, or you want to see more of Wally, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye, Wally. Nope, Wally sees lizard. Okay, bye.